cows quietly move off the platform or move out of the herringbone and walk leisurely to the next paddock. A gentle hurry-on call wakes them up and reminds them to move on. It is normal that they dung as they leave the shed area. The exit race is always messy. The most common problem that occurs at the exit of a herringbone shed is a sharp corner that slows them down. At the end of a herringbone, there needs to be enough space for the cows to turn easily into the exit race, at least 4 metres from the gate to the wall. If there is a very tight turn, then the cows will need time to negotiate it. Pipework can restrict cows as they exit by catching their jaw or hip. Exit gates need to be operated from the pit, both opening and closing. The best type of gate is the curtain drafting gate. The curtain presents a visible barrier as it closes, causing the following cows to stop and quietly stand ready to be milked. If the gate makes a loud clanging noise as it shuts, it may cause the other cows coming up the race to balk as well and halt the flow. Where the milker has to come to the head of the herringbone to close the gate, it is more likely to upset the flow. Cows coming off the rotary platform and turning need a non-slip surface, and preferably non-damaging as well, so provide rubber mats for this area. Any slipping on concrete in exits will result in poor cow flow further back, as the cows will remember the bad experience and not even want to come into the bales to be milked. I often see steep exit areas and sometimes also with a sideways slope. Dry dung on this slope will make it slippery and dangerous. If cows are consistently slipping on concrete with a sideways slope, the only quick fix is to keep the concrete damp with a sprinkler so that they have a better grip. Don't rush the cows. Allow them to go at their own speed and feel safe. A scary exit can cause poor cow flow right back to the parlour entrance. Footpaths in the exit race need to be kept clean and non-threatening. Cows don't like stepping down into footpaths. They will flow better if the floor of the footpath is level with the exit track. The edges of the footpath should have a square profile. Rounded walls or slopes at each end of the footpath are frightening to cows. It is normal for cows to dung as they leave the parlour. For this reason, it is preferable to have the exit race join the main track well away from the entrance to the milking yard. This is particularly important if the entry area is not concreted. Even if the facilities are not 100%, cows will not have a problem exiting the parlour as long as they are given enough time to do so. People using harsh voices will cause cows to either rush or stop instead of walking calmly out. Teach all staff to use the same command in the same tone of voice to encourage the cows to move. Alkathene should never be used, not even to just bang on the rails. The high pitch is upsetting to cows. Just remember, walking past machinery or open doors or people, dogs, or even over grates or through footpaths will slow the process, as will electronic tag readers, drafting gates or automatic teat sprayers. Just be patient.